Oh, I got a mystery box. All right, all right. Oh, oh. Why so difficult to open?
Oh no!
All right, so this is it. Gonna open right now. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna show to you one by one. What? Ah, just kidding. I'm just gonna take this out. What do I got here? First one. Oh, look at that. It's a Tangem t-shirt. So if I'm gonna open this one. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Okay. Turn your crypto into everyday spending. Oh, love it. What else do I got here? A couple of tinted socks. Whoa. It's a perk, and let's see another one. It's a buckle for bag. Look at that. Oh. Another shirt, but black version. All right. Let's see the design, man. Let's see the design. This is a black version. What else do we got here? What's this? Oh, it's a bag. Yeah, it's a bag. All right. Save the best for last. Whoa, look at this. Not one, but two. So what did I got here? I have the Tangem wallet updated version and the Tangem ring. So I'm gonna do a separate video about unboxing the Tangem ring. It's really amazing. Thank you, Tangem, for these perks and ambassador.